Very insensitive incidents which happened in Andhra Pradesh, where tourist department manager beaten up a specially abled women. I think in our country it's okay, it's a normal thing to ill-treat specially abled children, so especially abled people. I think again stricter action should be taken against this gentleman, and a headway has to be shown that it's not okay to ill-treat them. It is punishable, and we should definitely, as society, we should come forward and spread more awareness. As government also, they should have spread more awareness on this. There is lot of work has to be done on this, and we need to spread this awareness that whether it is a mental challenge or physical challenge, these people are normal, and they have equal right to live in the society, and they can't be ill treated. So that's the message has to go. Very sad to hear what happened in Uttar Pradesh, where a cop was masturbating in front of a woman. We have not heard it for the first time, and I'm sure that it is not going to be the last time if we don't right now immediately take action against him. I urge the authorities, because it is not that Uttar Pradesh is seeing such things for the first time. We have seen custodial rapes, we have seen sexual violence in the Thana itself many times, especially in Uttar Pradesh. A strict action immediately, he has to be terminated and he has to be booked on this, otherwise we are not heading anywhere. And if this is the situation where the protector, who's supposed to be protecting the children and the women against such crimes, if he is indulging into it, you can see the quality of police we have in our country. They are criminals. They are not even, you can't even call them cops. They're criminals. So I think authorities should take this very seriously, and action has to be taken very seriously on this, and immediately.